Alright everybody, so the biggest update of Artistly is coming very soon, and we are calling it Artistly version 5. And we took all your feedback and problems and feature requests and finally made it inside Artistly version 5.0, and it's a free update, free upgrade for all customers. Let's see what we have added, right? So I just cannot hold my excitement. Anyways, so number one, we took away the limitations of number of images you can create. That means with our new 4x variation, so now with 4x variation engine, you can create 4 unique images for every prompt across the board. Crazy stuff, right? We're not stopping there, right? We know that you are uploading videos on YouTube and you want to succeed faster, you want to get views faster, but views are not coming because why? People are not clicking. Why people are not clicking? 80% is your thumbnail. So we created a YouTube AI agent. What it does, it will take your YouTube URL, YouTube video, analyzes, finds the best part of it, and gives you dozens of unique, highly engaging thumbnails already done for you. So you don't have to think about which will work, which will not. It is already trained on millions of eye-catching thumbnails, and it will give the perfect thumbnail for your next video. So from get-going, you get the best results. All right, next. You don't know what digital product to sell, whether it's on Etsy, whether it's on Redbubble, whether it's Shopify, wherever it is. Well, there's a solution. You're going to get a market-ready POG idea generator agent. That means you just say, hey, I want a t-shirt, I want a t-shirt design for this niche and for this audience, and it will just create you designs in bulk for your audience, for the niche that you want in, without you having to do hours of research and basically backing from the real bestseller data, so that from the get-go you succeed. Next thing, right? This is one of the most requested features. Like, Yash, the problem is we get these 40, 50 images created, these hundreds of images created, but it is time consuming to do the prep work for selling them on any marketplaces. We're talking about, removing the background. We're talking about upscaling them. We're talking about converting 300 DPI and all that. So again, right? I'm fast because I cannot hold my excitement. You can watch it a little slower, but yeah, I'll try to be slower so that you all can understand it properly. Anyways, so the solution that we are coming up with is what we are calling it AI bulk actions. Here's what you're able to do. In just one shot, you upload your images, you upload your graphics, you upload your designs, and just say, create a workflow basically, right? Hey, please remove the background. Once you remove the background, upscale my design, and then once you upscale the design, please convert it to 300 DPI. It will automatically do it for you already without you having to manually upload and download and upload and download and, wasting manual hours, right? Now, another thing, no markups or model previews for your design. That's a problem that you had. Now, we have upgraded our AI-generated markup. That means specifically for your print-on-demand designs or for your digital product that you're trying to sell, you simply put your design and can get it on any product, any markup, any model, any virtual influencer that you want for ads and banners and posts. That's pretty crazy, right? Now, we got something really, really interesting. You guys wanted personalized storybooks. We got that, right? So previously, hiring the illustrator, writing the custom storybook, designing process, and all that. Now, you just upload, So you just upload a picture of your son, or of your grandson, of your granddaughter, or whatever it is, and say, boom, select some style. I want an epic adventure magical story, and it will create the story. It will turn them into a cartoon, and it will create personalized storybooks for you. This is the one I'm most excited about. Next one. So you want consistent character, but not just you want consistent characters. You want consistent characters, multi-consistent characters, multiple consistent characters for your books, for your pros, for branding across the board. Well, now you can. We got this multi-style character creator. That means regardless of what image style that you have, 3D, 2D, Pixar style, realistic, you can just drop 2 images, drop 1 image, and just ask it to basically have them do something together, change their emotions, change their background, change their actions, right? Which is right now possible, but we upgraded it to different styles of categories, different style of images, and different sort of thing, which is pretty amazing, you know. Now, book cover. Now, we all know that, you know, the number one important stuff to sell your books like crazy is your book cover, because what they see is what it sells, right? So now we got book cover agent. That means you just drop in your title, drop your author name, and boom, it will create beautiful, mesmerizing. Let me just, you know, increase the size so that you can watch it, right? So it will create these beautiful book covers, you know, without you having to manually sit and, you know, give it a prompt and think about it and then regenerate it. You don't have to do that anymore. Now, this is something crazy. You all go to your storybooks, you got everything, but now it was only visual only. That means you have to read it, you know, and sometimes, you know, for children who are like, you know, below 5 years old and all that, you know, who cannot read independently, they might miss out, right? And parents need to present it to, basically parents have to be there to read out aloud. Well, we got something interesting for you. So now you can do visual plus audio. That means it will speak, basically you choose a spokesperson and it will speak in a narration style voiceover that children can listen and follow along independently, page by page by page. It is crazy update. You know, with this we might actually add in different language functionality. We'll see. It's not, we have not finalized it, but yeah, if we get enough requests in the comment section, we might do that. So far, there are 9 problems we have solved. There are 3 more problems that we have solved. So far, all the features that you have seen, if any one of you, right, any one of the feature that excited you the most, let me know in the comment section, right? It makes me so happy. Anyways, so you got, can't create cool images you see online. Now you can, but the beauty is in consistent styling. You can recreate image with consistent styling across different popular styles and all that, right? It's called mirror magic. Now, here's the thing, right? So you got clients in dental industry and chiropractic and plastic surgeon and all that. We want to create ads for them. Well, all you do, hey, you just upload a selfie of them, and we got AI ad content creator with perfect text rendering. Here's what I mean by that. So you will just upload, you know, an image of your client, and you say, hey, you know, have him stand in front of a dental office, or have him stand inside a dental office, inside the dental office holding a board saying free teeth whitening, and it would do that for you without you having to lose the facial features and all that, right? It's crazy, right? It helps you generate more leads, help them manage the social media, run as an ad, or whatever you want, right? Now, the last problem we are solving is you sell clothing. Again, now you can, previously there was a problem, right, is we had t-shirts supported only with our merch magic. Now we got virtual model generator, and here's what it does. You can literally upload like any photo of any clothing, whether it's kids clothing, men's clothing, women's clothing, any clothing, and it'll say, have a 5-year-old girl wearing it in the garden, and it will generate it for you. So all these massive updates and many, many more coming to Artistly version 5.0, absolutely free for everyone. It's going to be the biggest update for Artistly. So make sure you drop in the comments which feature excited you the most, and for which feature you're excited the most, and I'll make sure that as the time gets closer for this update, you know, probably in a few weeks, you know, probably maybe sooner than that, based on the demand and based on the comments that I get on this video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so very much once again for spending your precious time with me till the very end. I'll talk to you in the next one, the weekly training. So then, see ya. Take care. Bye.